Hey guys, this is Joseph from Black Box My Car, and this is the new Blackview DR750 2CH LTE. If you have been following our videos, you will remember the quick demo Maria, our friend at Blackview, gave on it back in January at CES 2020 in Vegas. The DR750 2CH LTE was actually first announced at SEMA in November 2018. Since then, the model has gone through multiple cycles of testing and modifications, mainly to tackle the complexities of dealings with network carriers and certifications. You heard it here first, because the DR750 is the first Blackview with built-in 4G LTE connectivity. Before we proceed further with this video, we want to make a clarification. The DR750 LTE is not the DR750X. They are actually two different models that Blackview has created. The DR750X comes with an external LTE dongle module, whereas the DR750 LTE that you see here comes with a built-in SIM tray. The DR750 2CH LTE includes all the DR750S's features, such as SD card failure alert, substream technology, and great parking mode options. Here's the feature sheet for your reference. In short, the DR750 2CH LTE is a DR750S with the added built-in nano SIM card reader. In other words, if you're not planning on using the cloud features and you're happy with your existing Wi-Fi capabilities of the DR750S, then you might not find an upgrade to the DR750 2CH LTE all that beneficial. But hey, if you're in the market for the best hassle-free cloud-connected model, you're in for a treat. With built-in LTE, there's no more loss of connectivity for your phone when you connect to the dash cam. That means you still have access to use the apps on your phone. Just insert a SIM card into the built-in SIM tray, activate the SIM, and you're good to go. No need for a separate Wi-Fi hotspot. Better yet, no need to worry about powering an external hotspot. All you need is a SIM card with an active data plan. And when you're connected to the dash cam, you'll still be using the dash cam's data plan instead of your phone. In other words, the dash cam acts as a hotspot itself. Between the two dash cams, the case has the same overall form factor as the current DR750S, allowing you to reuse some of your existing accessories, such as the external battery pack. But if you look closer, you will see that the case has actually been physically redesigned from the ground up. It is larger to give room for the LTE chip and antennas. You also see more vent holes on the case, which, combined with internal tweaks, improve heat resistance. We know a lot of customers ask us about that. Let's take a look at some sample footage. Another question that you may have is upgrading from the DR750S 2CH to the LTE. If you currently have the DR750 2CH and you want to upgrade to the LTE model, hey, we've got some great news for you. The rear camera and all the connecting cables are completely interchangeable. That means if you prefer to leave your current setup in your car, all you need to do is swap out the front unit or the front camera, We can see that with the DR752CH LTE, Blackview is putting a heavy focus on cloud integration, and we can only expect more connected dashcams. Since most major telecom providers offer shared data plans, it's easy to tag on a second SIM card onto your existing plan. If you're interested in getting the DR750 LTE, it'll be available on our website shortly. If you do see one on eBay or Amazon until then, do be careful because it might not work in the US or Canada. Each country has its own DR752CH LTE version, and each version's LTE module is designed to operate within the designated region only. The reason being that the antennas within the DR752CH are tuned specifically to work on local telecom operator networks. And that's it, folks. We hope you've enjoyed this Blackview DR752CH LTE first look video. We'll be doing an in-depth review on the dashcam in the coming weeks, so do stay tuned. As always, if you got any questions or have any suggestions, you know where to find us. We're always here to help. Ready to make a purchase? Check out today with code BBMCTube to get 5% off your next dashcam, radar detector, or OBD scanner. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out to stay up to date with all the latest automotive news and trends. Thanks for watching.